What's up everyone, I'm Kao and I'm Win. We're speaking from KVIS and today is the fourth day of the 7th KVIS ISF. Participants got a chance to engage in scientific activities from the morning to the afternoon. And after that, they got to enjoy their selected recreational activities from a wide variety of choices that we offer in the evening. So, tell me about the scientific activities, Win.
Participants engage in scientific activities including the arm robot workshop, the robotic and AI activity, and tower earthquake. First of all, the arm robot workshop. Students had a chance to design and construct their own arm robot. It may sound too challenging at first, but trust me, it was worth it. Next, the robotic and AI activity propelled the participant into the world of artificial intelligence. Not only do we get to explore deeper into AI, but also apply our innovation and problem-solving skills.
And the last scientific activity, tower earthquake. Participants got to use their skills in architecture to design and construct an earthquake-resistant tower and put them to a test. Along the way, they got to learn more about structural stability and design through seismic exploration.
With the enthusiasm of all attendees, these activities have promoted the creativity and also the collaboration among the young students, bringing all participants together through engaging and interactive scientific projects. Moreover, this will lead to develop their ability to observe, analyze, and synthesize information, which fosters scientific thinking techniques.
While the students were engaged in amusing scientific activities of their choice, the participating teachers from different schools presented and exchanged their expertise during the teacher sharing session, particularly focusing on the methods, resources, and special techniques used to effectively teach scientific research to high school students.
After a long day, the participants got to enjoy the activities that they had picked from a load of what we offered during the recreational activities session. Can you name me all the activities, Win?
Alright, Pat. The activities include bird watching, futsal tournament, kayaking, adventure, watercolor meditation, console carnival, Polaroid bridge, board game bonanza.
Wow, great job, Win! They sound amazing, don't they? The participants played together, enjoyed together, and most importantly, had fun together. So, what about us, Win? What is your pick from these amazing activities?
Let me see. Obviously, it's gonna be bird watching. We are here at KVIS, so why not enjoy our time on the beauty of the nature? Not only do we get to watch gorgeous birds roaming in the air, but there is also an amazing view of the gray sky. It was exquisite.
Gotta give you that one, I agree with you. But my pick gotta be futsal tournament, man. I can see the boys watching this. You get me, right? People be turning into Prime Ronaldo and scoring bangers on our futsal pitch. What a day it is. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in.
Catch you guys next time in the next KVIS ISF News Report. Peace out!
I've had to do 4 days of work with no script. I am very high up. To eat stuff to sustain my life. I feel like dying. Find a nice place to sleep. Preferably in a grave. Yes. I'm thirsty. It's too sweet.